Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So this video is going to be talking about, how to fire your boss and never have to work for someone ever again. Okay, so for me, there have been times when I've started 8 businesses before the present business I'm in now. This is business number 9. I've been doing it for about 4 years and 11 months. Okay, but there have been times where I started a business and I was able to quit my old job, and then for whatever reason it either didn't take off or just didn't work. Then I'd have to go back, and kind of be embarrassed and like have to go back to either a different job or the same job. Now, sometimes people have to start businesses on the side because, their job is giving them pretty good money, but they're trying to build it slowly but surely until their business can overtake the income they would have from their job. You know, So the challenge, right, is how are you able to not just get enough momentum to replace your income, but how do you make sure it's sustainable so you don't have to worry about like either something happening, the economy tanking, or you lose some clients and you have to go get a regular job again, right? The key with that is you have to learn how to start a movement. What does that mean? A movement basically means that you have to have a group of people who know, love, and trust you, right? That means you have to understand what the people that you are serving actually want to talk about. What you have to know both what they need and what they like to talk about. Okay? Because if you know what they need, you're going to be able to give them results. If you know what they want, then you're going to be able to sell them that you can actually help them get those results they need, right? But that's the main key. And then once you understand how to talk in terms of what they want and actually help them, you're going to be able to start being able to control attention because they're going to be seeing that you're getting testimonials from these guys, so you obviously know what you're doing. Now the next step is once you learn how to actually help them and learn how to actually sell them, you need to learn how to go get 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 people to know you exist and try and get a small portion of that. Let's say it's 10,000 people know who you are. Let's say that you're trying to just go, get 10% of that audience. That's 1,000 people to literally come and be a part of your fan group or your tribe or your movement, whatever you like to call it, right? Out of those 1,000 people, let's say that every single month you're able to get 100 of them. That's only 10% of 1,000 to actually be able to consistently pay you some amount of money. Let's go on the low end. So let's say that you're able to get, 100 people to pay you $100 every single month, either by doing like your membership site or to do some kind of monthly coaching program with you. I don't exactly know because I'm not right in front of you right now, but it's $10,000 per month. A lot of people would be happy with that income. If you're not happy with that income, then you can always, either raise your price or you can create more products and services. But, my gift is that I've been able to struggle with those old businesses in the past, but then I was able to turn the corner from using the experiences from those failures to be able to actually make this business work, right? But on top of that, since I was able to make it work, the next skill that I had to develop was how to, translate that and move that and pass that on to my individual clients, right? So we started learning how to do that. We started showing them the right methods, the step-by-step strategy to be able to change their life and start moving forward. Now, what does that mean for you as a person watching today? Well, 4 years and 11 months later, I'm here and I'm better than ever. And what I've learned how to do and developed was we started this group. It's called Uncapped Growth Strategies. It's a free group that just allows you to get step-by-step instruction into how to start moving forward in your life. It's kind of selfish for me because I figured that once I start giving you guys value and actually helping you grow your business, then you're going to want to work with me long term. Okay, what does that mean long term? So I'm going to have multiple businesses in the future that involve, like investing. So it's going to be, we have multiple rental properties that we have now, but we want to get to a very large number, and that's going to take, either investors or other people who want to, give me money and then get a certain return out of it. And I'm just hoping that, the more people that I help and the more of the clients that I make rich and make wealthy are going to want to work with me long term in the future, which, it's worked out pretty well so far. But if you want to start taking advantage of that free information and start learning how to actually move forward in your business and your life, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information. Have a great day. See you later. Take it easy. Talk to you soon.